Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be diving deep into the top 5 best Instant Pot air fryer lids that are available on the market today. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cooking game or need an all-in-one solution for healthier and faster meals, I've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the faux hair air fryer lid for Instant Pots. This is a budget-friendly option for those looking to transform their existing 6-quart or 8-quart pressure cooker into a versatile air fryer. With 7 preset menus and an LED touchscreen, this lid offers a convenient way to cook fries, chicken legs, steak, and even whole chickens without the need for excess oil. The hot air circulation system ensures crispy results, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. The design is compact with a visible glass lid that allows you to monitor your food without removing the lid, preventing heat loss. The stainless steel build feels durable, and it comes with safety features such as a locking mechanism to avoid accidental burns. However, it's worth noting that the cleaning process isn't as seamless since the lid isn't dishwasher safe. The faux hair lid is lightweight at 5.63 pounds and uses 1,000 watts of power, making it energy efficient. While this product offers great value for those who already own a compatible pressure cooker, it's not as versatile as other options on this list. It lacks the capacity for advanced functions like sous vide or rice cooking. Overall, the faux hair air fryer lid is a solid entry-level option for small kitchens or users who want to try air frying without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Zavor 8-in-1 air fryer lid, a versatile addition that turns your 6-quart or 8-quart pressure cooker, stovetop pot, or multi-cooker into an air fryer. This lid is perfect for those who want to maximize their existing cookware without investing in a dedicated air fryer. With 8 preset options for foods like chicken, pizza, and fries, it's incredibly user-friendly and eliminates the guesswork in cooking. The Zavor lid features a temperature range from 165 degrees to 455 degrees and includes a tempered glass lid that allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. Accessories like a stainless steel frying basket, silicone mat, and tongs are also included, making it a complete package for air frying. However, at 7.29 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other lids, and its power output of 1,000 watts makes it less efficient for larger meals. Plus, its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup easier than you'd expect. While it's not as feature-rich as the Instant Pot options, the Zavor lid is a great pick for those who already own compatible pots and want an affordable, space-saving alternative to a standalone air fryer. Its limitations in wattage and lack of advanced programming options keep it from ranking higher. But it's a solid choice for quick, everyday meals. At number 3, we have the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 6-quart, an 11-in-1 powerhouse that combines the functionality of an air fryer and a pressure cooker. This budget-friendly option is perfect for households of up to 6 people and offers a wide range of cooking functions, including roasting, sautéing, steaming, and even making rice. What sets it apart is the Even Crisp technology, which delivers a perfect crunch with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying. The Duo Crisp's build quality is excellent, featuring the stainless steel finish and a dishwasher-safe inner pot for easy cleanup. It's user-friendly, with 15 customizable smart programs and a free app providing over 800 recipes. At 1,500 watts, its performance is reliable and fast, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. However, its 6-quart capacity might be limiting for larger families or those who frequently batch cook. This model is ideal for those who want a versatile cooker without breaking the bank. It's a great entry point into the Instant Pot lineup and offers excellent value for its price. However, if you need more capacity or advanced features, you might want to look at the higher-ranked options. Our runner-up is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 8-quart model, a slightly larger and more versatile version of the 6-quart Duo Crisp. With the same 11 functions and Even Crisp technology, This model is perfect for larger families or those who frequently entertain guests. Its 8-quart capacity allows for bigger batches, making it ideal for meal preppers and potluck enthusiasts. The build is sturdy with its stainless steel pot featuring a tri-ply bottom for even heat distribution. The silicone handles make it easy to lift, while the dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. With a temperature range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 1,500 watts of power, this Instant Pot delivers consistent and reliable performance. Its slightly higher price point reflects the added capacity and pro-grade pot. The Duo Crisp 8-quart is an excellent choice for those who need more space without stepping into premium territory. It balances performance and price beautifully, making it one of the most versatile appliances in its category. The only downside is its bulkier size, which might be less suited for smaller kitchens. And finally, at number 1, we have the Instant Pot Pro Crisp 8-quart, the ultimate all-in-one air fryer and pressure cooker combo. This premium model offers 11 cooking functions, including sous vide, broiling, and dehydrating, making it the most versatile appliance on our list. Its Even Crisp technology ensures perfect air-fried results with minimal oil, while its status lights keep you informed about the cooking process. The Pro Crisp stands out with its premium design, featuring a glossy finish and a stainless steel cooking pot that's both stovetop and oven-friendly. It has a large 8-quart capacity, perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone hosting a dinner party. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and the included accessories, like a multi-level air fryer basket and a broil tray, add even more functionality. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Pro Crisp justifies its price with its unmatched versatility, performance, and build quality. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line appliance that can replace multiple kitchen gadgets, this is the one to beat. It's the ultimate investment for serious home cooks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the best Instant Pot air fryer lid for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.